Hi, this is Gail at the English Factory in Chiba, Japan. This is a listening and speaking practice video for students learning at home. And this is English Angel in the bathroom. Oh, there she is. There's English Angel. Oh, there she goes. This is the bathroom, but it is not a Japanese bathroom. Look at the toilet. It is in the bathroom. It is next to the bathroom vanity. And look at the bathtub. It's next to the bathroom vanity. And the bathtub has a shower curtain. It is a nice bathroom, but it is not a Japanese bathroom. It is different. And wow, English Angel is here. Hi, English Angel. Oh, she's gone. Oh, she's in the bathtub. I see her. She's in the big white bathtub. Oh, no, she's not. Where is English Angel? Oh, there she is. She is in the sink and now she's gone. Where is English Angel? Let's see. Next to the bathtub? No. On the towels? No. In the mirror? No. She is not in the Oh, wait a minute. There she is. English Angel is in the toilet. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, she's gone. I don't know where she is. Let's look at some of the things in the bathroom. Let's see. 3 little toilets and 1 big toilet. 1 big bathroom vanity and 4 little bathroom vanities. Sinks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sinks. 3 sinks are little. 1 sink is big. These are mirrors. These are bathroom mirrors. Oh, that is a big bathtub, and those are little bathtubs. 8 little bathtubs, 1 big bathtub. These are shower curtains. These are what color? These shower curtains are orange yellow or yellow orange. I don't know. This is a towel. The towel is on the towel rack. Let's see. 2 big towels on towel racks and 2 little towels on towel racks. It's toilet paper. Toilet paper is good. Very good. This is a mat. This is a bath mat. It is orange. What's this? Oh, English Angel is here. Hi, English Angel. Oh, what is she saying? Let's see. Practice this video 5 times. Okay, let's practice 5 times. Bye, English Angel. Goodbye, everybody.